Hi, I'm Tony Lopena. Of course, ako si Vincent sa Pepito Manaloto. And I'm back dito sa CSA. Yes, magkakaroon kami ng follow-up na treatment dun sa ginawa niya sa akin. Last August 15. Oh, grabe, ang bilis ng panahon. August 15 yon. So, more or less, nasa 45 days na yung kanyang ginawang treatment sa akin. Nag-botox kami, di ba? Remember? Pagkatapos, in-enhance niya ng konti dito. Nilift niya ako, thread lifting dito. Katapos, ang talagang gusto ni doktora kasi ay ito. Ito yung kailangan ma-improve na ma-lift natin. So, hindi pa niya nagawa nung time na yon kasi nga, marami akong mga sunod-sunod na mga events the next day, the following days. Kaya sabi niya, teka, hindi ko muna gagalawin, sabi niya ganon. At kailangan i-enhance lang natin ngayon, nung August 15. Katapos, maghanap tayo ng the best time na mai-treatment kita kumbaga ng extreme na, di ba? So, ayun, nakakatuwa din kasi after 45 days na yan, or doon sa loob ng 45 days na treatment niya sa akin, ang dami na rin talagang mga nakapansin. Pagkatapos, hindi nila ma-distinguish kung ano ba talaga yung nagbago sa akin. Hindi ba? So, yun yung nakakatuwa dito sa CSA dahil talagang alam ni doktora kung paano niya i-enhance or ipapa-refresh yung face mo na hindi ka talaga mukhang inopera or minagic, di ba? Wala siyang ganon. Ayaw ni doktora ng ganon. Kaya yun ang nakakatuwa. So now, tignan natin kung ano na yung gagawin sa atin. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, to follow. Click the notification button.
Good day, everyone. Welcome to the CSA Medical Aesthetics. I'm Dr. Contessa, your certified aesthetic physician. In today's episode, it's the part 2 treatment of Esmael, also known as Tony.
Hi,
Welcome
Doktora.
back.
Yes,
Yeah.
welcome back. Nice to see you again.
I'm looking at you. I'm so starstruck, and you look so refreshed. Why?
Yeah. Actually, hindi nila talaga rin ma-distinguish, ano? Hindi nila ma-distinguish. Yun ang kagandahan talaga sa nasabi ko lagi dito sa CSA.
Right.
Na hindi ka nila basta ititreat na mamamagic yung mukha mo. Right. Walang ganun dito, di ba? At alam ni doktora yun na dapat dahan-dahan lang.
Right. We're doing it gradually to have a natural result. Actually, ngayon, meron na kami sa aesthetics yung saying na less is more, simple is the best, natural is the key. Yun.
Yes, natural is the key.
Right.
Oo, hindi nila ma-distinguish or hindi nila mahanap. Parang may nagbago na ano, pero kasi fresh ang dating.
Correct, yes.
Meron na ako mga bagong episode ngayon sa Pepito na talagang nakita ko talaga yung kaibahan.
Right.
Nawala yung haggardness, yung bagsak.
Right.
Yung lungkot, nawala talaga siya. Yun talagang nawala. Naging fresh.
The approach is minimal, but the result is really big impact, as I could say.
Yes.
So they could see something even though we've done like a minimal treatment only. So today, it's the part 2 of the procedure that we have done in the past.
Alright.
We did already the cog thread lifting, a minimal approach, and we did some, relaxation of the fine lines and wrinkles. And now we will continue with the cog thread lifting. We'll be working on upper third, middle third, lower third, and some lifting of this saggy area of the neck. Yeah. And the under eye area also. So we will be having an approach of like specific target anatomical region.
Ayun na.
So that we can really deliver an optimal result, a very favorable result, and still natural looking.
Ayun. So, kumbaga, ito extreme na tong gagawin natin.
Yes. Yun. So, somehow we target all anatomical regions, and at the same time then, talagang i-delay na yung aging. Because you've started doing something already, syempre you need to support the structure ng mukha eh.
Tama.
Kasi over time talaga yan, nagsasag, pull of gravity,
Yes.
overwork ka, stress ang skin mo,
Yes.
and then every day, nagbi-breakdown yung mga collagen natin. So, we wanna do something to, at the same time, dinidelay na rin yung aging process. Bata pa kami ni Tony eh.
Yes, mga bata pa kami. Kaya kailangan enjoy natin, ano?
Correct. Ayan. So, what kind of treatment, what procedure, we will show you when we return. And we're back. So, we're with Tony. Tony yan. So, we'll start with some markings of the face muna, okay? Before any procedure, you should have a good, like, design or pattern of what you're gonna do on the face. Like, for example, I'll work on the upper part. So, we want to also do lifting of the saggy eyebrows. Ito, nagbabagsak na to, Tony. Kailangan nating i-lift. Ayan. Kasi, as we age, this droops down. It goes down. So, we wanna do like a classical method of cog lifting. So, our entry point will be here, midline. And then we'll make like an inverted V here. So, I'll just a classical technique. And then I also want to lift this part of the tail of the eyebrow, and then also a part of this one. And then another one on the left side here. So, let's make a good pattern first, okay? So, we want to pull this tail. We also want to pull this medial brow here. And you can also pull the arch. Yan. Something to also make your forehead young looking. Di ba? And then, this part, our outer part of the eye area. Kasi this droops down.
Ay, nako. Yan talaga.
Yan. So, we also want to do the so-called lifting here. Okay? And then, the mid-face, since I did last time like a long cog already, I'm just gonna support the anterior cheek, pull it up like that. I'll have an entry point here, and lift the nasolabial fold. So, itong area na to, yan, yung may laugh line. And I'll support the under eye because you already have a hollowness here or volume loss there. I'll also give a structural protein support. And for the jawline area, okay, let's make it like a contour jawline. I'll make one entry point here at the angle of the mandible. So towards here to kind of define your jawline. And also yung tinatawag na L shape, sexy jawline. And I'll make a one entry point here going up. And another one here, subzygoma. So creating this shape here. And to pull this part here, so we'll make an entry point here and make a fanning method of our cog threads. Yan. So this is our pattern for now. Okay. So to add on to what we have done last time, like about 1.5 months ago when we did your treatment. Still remember?
Yeah, bali 45 days
45 days exact, right? Okay, so a while ago we cleansed the skin, we put on numbing cream. Right now I can also do the so-called nerve block to further numb the area. Okay, para manhid na manhid, right? So I'll just do nerve block. So for the upper part of the face, we do the so-called supraorbital nerve block, palpate for the supraorbital foramen here. So on top, I'm just gonna inject a little bit of this lidocaine. Here you go. Parang dental anesthesia din ang pakiramdam. And then, on the middle part, sorry. So, we'll flood the supratrochlear nerve here. Then, we'll also inject into the infraorbital. So, this is what we call a nerve block. And the mentalis foramen. Okay. And a portion of the neck area here. Okay. So,
yes.
So we'll start with doing the upper third. I'll be working on the right side muna. And I still do the numbing of the track of the thread here. Okay. So there are cases you can do just 2 cog threads here or 3 cog threads per area of the region you're going to target. So you can also have a better lifting of the eyebrow area. So we're calling this a brow lift. Okay, I'll start with this brow lift here first. Yan, mataas ang tolerance ni Tony.
Oo, medyo.
So I'll work on this upper part.
Nakakatiis-tiis ako.
Yes. So I'm using a spiral cog here. It's a gauge 21 with 60 millimeter length of the cannula. So I'll just glide it. So ideally, you place the thread at the deep layer, and then when you reach the supraorbital, you can go up a little bit here to avoid the supraorbital vascular structures, and then out, and then a second one there. So I'm just gonna be doing the inverted V technique here, and then just glide. Okay, so a little bit of sensation of pressure there. Okay, and then out. Okay, so we'll do the temple area. So this is the anesthesia. You can also block the so-called zygomatico-temporal nerve here. That's one area to also do your nerve block on the temple region. And actually that nerve is located on a deep area there. Okay, so one more anesthesia. So we want to also lift the corner of the eye by doing this method. Actually, they call it fox eye thread or cat's eye thread or ponytail technique. And this one is the reverse method that we are applying. So I can just inject the, again, same thing, spiral cog gauge 21 60 millimeter, and then we'll do the second one. So you have your entry point here. So this is reverse. I do a combination of a classic and a reverse method to reinforce my lifting effect. So like the interval is like a 1 cm interval. Okay, so the vector will depend on what kind of like lifting you wanna achieve. So I'm just gonna cut the extruding thread here, the one that's outside. Then so we're done with the upper third on the right side.
Ganon?
Then, yeah.
Tapos na?
Then, let's do the mid-face lift. So, I need my lidocaine again. So, this is for the lifting of the so-called nasolabial fold there. So, this is a technique that you can apply for cases where you don't want to widen the mid-face section. You can use this kind of technique or method. Especially women, they don't want wider face. They just want slimmer, narrower face. So you can have your entry point here above your cheek apex and just glide this short cog threads here. And your plane is subcutaneous to the SMAS plane. Okay, and then you can pass the nasolabial line there since we're using just a short one. So I'm just gonna have a single entry point. And I've mentioned that I will also combine it with tear trough thread. So it's normal that there's this kind of like cracking sound that I'm hearing because Tony had some acne scars. When you were a teenager. You probably had acne problem as well. Nung teenager tayo, Tony. Yan. So I'm hearing the sound. You're releasing the bands from the scars. Ang tawag namin doon, fibrotic band. So, para ka na rin nagtitreat ng acne scar. O, diba? So, meron kang scar. Yun! From the tigyawat noong kabataan. Yeah. So, when we were in high school, we had all these zits or pimples. Okay, let's do the tear trough treatment of the tear trough area treatment using our scaffold thread. So I'll have my entry point here. Okay. So another entry point for the tear trough there. Then we'll just make the puncture, and then after that will deliver it. You have to go at the deep plane here because you restore support of the orbital retaining ligament. Okay? Glide lang. That's just a simple technique. And then just last one. Yun! And we're done almost with the mid face. Then we will go to the lower face. O, diba? So again, this procedure should only be done by trained doctors. Doctors who had the training in this field. So let's do the so-called lower third of the face. I'll just inject a lidocaine near the angle of the mandible, and I'm just gonna glide this lidocaine here. Okay. Lidocaine again. So my method here will be like an L pattern here. Actually, we have the so-called L lift. We call L lift. And I'll make another line, another entry point here. It's kind of like in the subzygoma region. So I'll be using, this is just a lidocaine. I do understand the feeling, Tony. Sensation ng lidocaine. But you're doing great. So far, so good. Okay. And then we'll make the entry point here on the angle of the mandible. And just this cog here. We're using a 60 millimeter. Okay. You may use 60 millimeter, 90 millimeter, 100 millimeter. And this one is an L pattern. Okay. So we'll use the same entry point a while ago, and then we'll just direct upward like this. So the plane of insertion of the thread, ideally you place it subcutaneous, deep subcutaneous plane. Then another entry point here, and then after this we will be proceeding to the neck part. So it's just a quick procedure because Tony is busy.
Oo nga eh.
Maraming events.
Diyos ko.
After 3 days, meron pa siyang ganap.
Oo, okay. Sa Wednesday.
Ayun.
4 days ang convention ko.
There you go. So we'll just give him analgesic. So I'm in the mid-face area part. So I had sensed those fibrotic bands from the acne scars, and then we'll just do the under the jawline, your neck part. So we have an entry point here. Almost done na ang right side, Tony.
Ang bilis, ang bilis.
Yeah, well, I've been doing thread lifting for more than 10 years already, so quite like the experience there. Yan, anesthesia lang, I do understand. I know the feeling. Yeah. Yun. And we'll just glide it in the deep subcutaneous plane. So this part, you have to place it above the platysma muscle. You don't want to go deeper than that because you have vital structures that you need to avoid. So we'll just glide this. It's a semi, or rather a fanning approach here. So you also want to strengthen the skin on the neck part. Again, PDO threads are collagen stimulators. Apart from lifting, they have this improvement of skin quality over time because they generate collagen build-up. Okay, so we've done the right side.
Grabe, ganun lang kabilis.
Yes, and let's proceed to the left area. So we have done the full face thread lifting for Tony, including the upper neck area. We'll show the result when we return.
Hi, Doktora. Good morning. O, ayan. So, talagang ang dami nang nakakapansin talaga na fresh daw yung mukha ko. Ang ganda ko raw. So, anyway, galing ako ng aking national convention sa Baguio ng 4 days. So, kahapon, nung pauwi na kami, galing Baguio, doon nag-start naman na nakita ko to medyo nagdilaw, tapos medyo nangingitim na ngayon, mga pasa. Yan, ngayon ako nilabasan ng mga pasa. Tapos eto din, medyo naninilaw din to ngayon, na medyo may pasa. But it's okay, kasi alam ko naman na dadaan talaga ako sa ganito. Tapos yung entry point dito nung injection mo, medyo masakit pa ng konti. Pero nababawas-bawasan na. Oo, eto dito, parang ganun. Tapos dito, medyo may mga sakit pa din dito sa mga entry point mo dito. Tapos, ayan yung mga entry point mo dito. Medyo may konti pang nararamdaman, pero halos pawala na. Yan, pag tinataas-taas kong ganun yung mga muscle ko dyan, dun ko na lang nararamdaman yung bugbog. Oo, pero ito ngayon palang lumabas. Ayan. Nangingitim na naninilaw. Ayan. O, bakit nando dun? Bakit siya dito nangingitim at naninilaw? Ba't kaya dito? Hindi naman niya ako tinusok dito eh. But anyway, oo. Fresh pa din ako. Yes. Iniintay ko lang yung talagang tamang araw, tamang week ng final result nito. Oo. Para ma-vlog ko na din. 'Di ba? Ayan pa meron pa akong mga naninilaw-nilaw dito pag ganun eh. Alright? Oo. Pero dito, wala nang masyadong sakit. Wala na akong nararamdaman. Ayun, nahipo ko. Para siyang pimple na para siyang butlig na masakit. Yun, ito, andito. Anyway, okay lang. O, 'di ba? Nawala talaga yung mga lines ko diyan. Pati ito nawala rin. O, 'di ba? Ayun, medyo dito parang may nararamdaman ako ditong bugbog dito. Yan. Pero 'di ba ang ganda? Yun lang.
And we're back. So let's show the result to Tony.
Yes.
Ayan. Yung quick procedure natin na cog thread lifting. So we did full face, upper, middle, lower, and a bit of the upper neck area. And in our injections, of course, there are multiple needle injections there with our lidocaine. So it's expected that there will still be some form of swelling.
Yes.
There are so many injection points from the upper, the middle, the lower, and this part of the upper neck. And plus, we use those cog threads combined with scaffold threads. And I did a little bit of the soft filler to smoothen the static wrinkle on the glabella area or in between the eyebrow. And may meeting pa mamaya.
Oo nga. Grabe!
So, you can do this like a lunchtime treatment, okay? And then we'll just give you some analgesic, something like a medicine to bring down the swelling, and also some anti-bruising medicines. We will also do cold therapy or cryotherapy later on.
Yeah, okay.
Yan. How's the experience, Tony?
Okay naman siya. Kinaya ko naman.
I know, right?
Kinaya ko naman.
Knowing you have low tolerance to pain.
Oo, kinaya ko naman. Pero nakakatuwa kasi nung una, hindi ako natakot nung una. Wala akong kahit na anong fear nung una, kaba. Pero nung napanood ko na sa YouTube yung ginawa mo sa akin.
Then all of a sudden, you got scared.
Ganon, oo.
There was the feeling that...
Pero okay siya.
Yeah, it's good.
At ang bilis ang bilis.
It's been like we've been doing this procedure more than 10 years already, so the practice is there.
So alam mo yun, ramdam mo na yung confidence mo.
Exactly, yeah.
Ramdam mo na meron ka talagang tiwala, mag-trust doon sa doktora mo kasi tuk. Grabe naman yung,
The success of this treatment is technique dependent or the skills of the injector. So it's very important that the one who's doing this is really knowledgeable.
Yes, please.
Trained and skilled also.
Yes, wag na wag kayong gagawa ng hindi nyo alam.
Exactly po, because we've been like getting some complications from another injectors kasi although in the Philippines we have a law that only licensed physicians can perform this kind of procedures po. Okay, so we do understand in other countries they allow non-MDs. Also, in the Philippines lang po, meron lang po talagang batas na only for licensed physicians. And of course, those who are like wanting to do this kind of treatment, if you haven't really gotten any MD license, there's a way po, may paraan yan. So we could also help you on that. And for our clients, having these kinds of treatments, of course, they already know the experience, they've seen the result, and actually, they're so knowledgeable already with the anatomy, with the type of the thread that we're using.
Eventually, matututo sila.
Yes. Actually, it's also important to use high-quality materials. Products that were backed up by science, na meron silang mga data or evidence na they're safe, they are effective. Because all these materials, of course, dumaan yan ng mga clinical studies, may mga scientific papers, mga clinical reports. Kaya kaming mga doctors, we always go to conventions and conferences. We learn those kinds of materials that were already, given that much of like a peer review or mga feedback from a lot of medical professionals. So make sure you use the right product, the scientifically studied product, the FDA-approved product.
Yes.
Plus, your injector should really be qualified, well-trained, well-knowledgeable, and also, of course, the patient also should be a very good candidate for this kind of treatment, okay? So, if you still have the mild to moderate sagginess, you're a good candidate. But for individuals who really want a very drastic result or, super talagang altering your profile, your anatomy, there's a surgical method for that. So there are cases na they're not really the ideal candidate. So we also choose individuals who are really gonna be giving or be receiving that optimal result or best result.
Correct.
May mensahe ka ba sa mga televiewers pa?
Yeah, ako talaga maganda yung sinabi ni Doktora na kailangan professional at kailangan yung talagang qualified lang na injector. Di ba? Kasi ang daming mga gumagaya eh. Dahil sa napapanood nga sa YouTube, sinishare nitong mga generous na mga doctors ang mga itong mga procedure, mga techniques. Pero yung mga gumagaya naman, hindi mga professional.
So we just wanna give this, actually, just a reminder lang po.
Reminder din yun, oo. Kasi, syempre, kahit na meron kayong means or meron kayong mga capital, puhunan, magtatayo ng clinic, teka muna, kailangan doktor muna kayo. Di ba? Kasi syempre, lalo na yung mga pag-i-inject at yung mga quality ng mga gamot na ginagamit, kailangan confident ka naman na, okay to.
They're safe. Yan.
They're safe. Dito lang kayo sa CSA lang kayo para safe.
Ayan, thank you, Tony.
Thank you very much, Doktora. Thank you again.
You're welcome. So if you have any questions, you may email us at csaskinclinic@yahoo.com, our FB page, CSA Medical Aesthetics, Instagram, CSA Medical Aesthetics. Our clinic is located here at the Infinity Shop, Pulong Maragol, Angeles City. Contact number 0933-8609193 or 0917-504-4268. Yan, si Tony meron siyang social media account. Instagram, Facebook, follow him.
Alam niyo na yun. Tony Lopena ang Instagram. Of course, yung I Am Vincent sa YouTube. And of course, yung ating Tony Lopena Facebook page.
Correct. And follow us also. And please do watch our other videos. Yung kanyang video nung last time.
Yeah.
Also watch that one. So, YouTube channel, Contessa Salvador. God bless you all. When it comes to natural beauty, you can trust the CSA Medical Aesthetics.